If you want to sign up for X.com, also known as Twitter Premium, and you want to compare the plans before you pay, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can choose the plan that fits your needs and complete your subscription without confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to X.com. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. After you're inside, look at the left-hand side navigation menu. You should see a premium option there. Go ahead and click Premium. This will take you to the subscription page where X shows all of the available paid plans. On this screen, you'll usually see different membership options, including Basic, Premium, and Premium Plus. Take a moment to compare them carefully before moving forward. Basic is generally the entry-level option, Premium adds more features, and Premium Plus is the higher-tier option with additional benefits. Read through the features listed under each plan so you understand what you're getting before you subscribe. This is important because the plan you choose will determine the tools, visibility features, and account perks you receive. Once you've decided which plan is right for you, click Subscribe and Pay. After that, X will bring up the payment process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll be asked to enter your billing details, which may include your card information, name, and billing address depending on your region and payment method. Make sure everything is entered correctly so the transaction goes through smoothly. Before confirming, double-check the plan name and the total amount being charged. This helps prevent accidental purchases or choosing the wrong subscription tier. When everything looks correct, confirm the purchase. After the payment is approved, your premium subscription should activate, and you'll be able to start using the features included in your selected plan. And that's it. You've now signed up for X Premium. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go, and comparing the plans first helps you make the best choice for your account. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another app or website. Thanks for watching.